Learn English speaking through Hindi. हिंदी के माध्यम से अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखें. I plan to plus verb. I plan to describe something that you would like to do in the near future. I plan to plus क्रिया. I plan to कुछ ऐसा वर्णन करता है जिसे आप निकट भविष्य में करना चाहेंगे. Listen and repeat the sentences. वाक्यों को सुनें और दोहराएं. I plan to watch a movie. I plan to further my education. I plan to invest in stock market. I plan to surprise my parents. I plan to impress my boss. I plan to adopt a child. I plan to find a new apartment. I plan to learn new things. I plan to increase my wealth. I plan to save more money. I plan to wash my car. I plan to go to my hometown. I plan to read a book. I plan to relax on vacation.